Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will continue with the components. Alright, we reopen the person class. Okay, we will working on with the class component first. So, imagine in your component class, you want to create a function. For example, you want to create a function to get the year of the birth. So how you do that? So in the component class, it's very easy. Just create a function like this. Maybe get the year of birth. Okay. Equal. This is a syntax of creating a function. Okay. In this, we just return copy this and yeah. All right, and here we just call get year of birth like this. And you see in component class, class component, we always use this to access the props and the functions. Okay, so let's save. And yeah, you see we have the same result. And how about the functional component? Can we do something like this? A get year of birth. So in the functional class, we don't want to access the get birth by this. Okay, but now you see the get year birth is not defined. So inside a function, we need to use a constant to define a function like this. And now save it and go back here. Oh yeah, prop. Okay, I forgot to remove this. Okay, we have the same result here. Alright, inside the function, you need to use the constant keyword to define the function. Okay. So let's create another example with the function with the React component. So let's create a table .js and create a class table extend component. Okay, component, and inside it we render our return table. Okay, and inside the table we need a header, a head, right? A table and the table row inside the head, table row with two title, table and name, and another is job. Okay, and after the head we has the body of the table, and inside we also have the table row and td with some data Charlie, and maybe the sharp is Dave. We copy. Okay, we create the table like this. So you see we have many code, right? Many code. So this is not a best practice. We need to split the code into smaller components. Like you can create another component class, table header. Okay. So I think we can create the function for it. Constant table header. Okay. So this is the same. This is the same with. I want to remind again. It's the same with the function table header. Okay. Same with just different syntax. Okay. And in here I just return the header of the table. Copy this and put here. Okay. And you can put the prop inside props, and in here you use the curly bracket prop, maybe the title 1. Okay. I think not necessary because the header is physics title. Okay. And we also have another is the table body. And the table body has the table body. Alright. Return. Okay. And now in the table we just type the table header like this, and the next one is table body like this. And you can also split to smaller component in the table body if you want to. Okay, so the idea here that you should split the code into smaller components so you can easily to manage the code and easily to reuse the code. Okay. Alright, so that is just the best practice you need to use when coding the React.js. Okay, I think that's all for this video, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.